Hi, my people. This is the Ghanaian farmer. My name is Enyunam. If you see me in town, just call me Ghana's finest farmer. A few weeks ago, I was here to update you that I've rented 5 acres of farmland to start my sweet potato farming. I promised you I was going to take you as the journey progress. So today, we are here in Sege, right here, and the tractor is working, is plowing my land. So here, according to the tractor operator, it costs you 400 cedis to actually plow the land, just like it costs you 400 cedis to lease or rent the land. So he's working on the entire 5 acre for me, and after 2 or 3 days, I would be back for the harrowing noise. You see the tractor? So there you have it, the tractor busily working. After 3 days, I'll be back for the harrowing. After harrowing, they will do the ridging. All right, the ridging to actually line up properly, make it smooth and ready for the planting. Of course, trust me, the Ghanaian farmer, business tilling the land. During the planting, I'll definitely come your way to show you the number of people planting for me, how many planting materials I'm using, and every other detail that there is to know. But please, I ask you to stay on this channel, subscribe and share the link. Do not skip when the ads are playing. Yes, that's the way you're going to support me. But if you're out there and you're a farmer, you want me to promote your farm for you, you are an agrochemical dealer, you want me to promote it for you, if you want a brand ambassador to promote any food product, contact me. Of course, if you want to invest, there are vast acres of farmland and the owner is ready to lease it. So if you're out there and you have some money, I will give you proper accounting. So you know how much we will need to invest. Let's make this big. Let's eat, let's export, let's create wealth, and of course, develop our economy. I'll see you on the flip side, but for now, let me go out there and supervise. I want to be a farmer, so I'm going to be involved from scratch to finish. In the next 3 months, you will see my harvest. And when I'm counting my money, don't come and ask me to give you some more. Make time to watch all the videos and make a decision. My name once again is Enyunam. I'm Ghana's finest farmer. See you.
So that's how our day went. The tractor managed to finish plowing all the 5 acres. And I wanted to talk to this guy to find out how long he's been doing this. He says it's been 30 years. I just couldn't sit on the tractor for long because the vibration was too much for me. I was scared I'm going to fall off the tractor, so I just have to calm down and let him do his work. And so I'm going to take you along every step of the way. It's been such an insightful moment for me. I am learning a lot, and I hope that as we watch and we learn, we'll definitely find that which we're interested in to venture into. This one is sweet potato production and the process. From day one, identifying the land, collecting the soil sample, testing, and the result were released, the plowing, and then the harrowing. We are not done though. After you harrow, you're going to do region before the planting, and I'll bring you all those process. Stay with me on this platform.